What's happening, fellow?
Hello and welcome to today's calendar video where we're going to be doing a Halloween countdown with Halloween items this time instead of food.
We have 16 boxes full of Halloween stuff. Might be candy, might be a spider, might be a wolf spider that's right there on the ground.
Yeah, there's a wolf spider. Oh, right there. I have a fear of spiders.
All right, let's go ahead and get this party started. Oh my gosh, look what we got first off. M&M's.
Micah loves these and then we'll eat 10 packets in a day.
Oh, open up your cup.
What color?
Yellow.
I don't know if it's saying, I think it was thank you.
All right,
Is it
we also
brown?
got more M&M's.
Lots of M&Ms.
This beautiful spider boy.
Wow. I love this. Check out this awesome spider that
He's amazing.
somewhat actually spooks me. Look at its legs.
No!
Long legs.
And we got Breakfast Monsters mini plush.
We got this many things.
The company sent us these, so we got them
For free.
for free. Thank you, company.
That looks real cute.
Don't know what's going on there. I got a beautiful,
Mummy muffin.
Mommy Muffin here. Beautiful
I
guy.
can't see it. What is it? Oh wow.
He's beautiful.
I love him.
So let's just jump into number 2. Jump into it.
Wow.
Candy corn.
corn.
Emma doesn't like candy corn.
Who does?
Oh.
Me. Want one? You want one?
No, he doesn't like candy corn.
Number 3, which is a cupcake. Jumping into it.
Wow, we got a lot of these.
We got a bunch more. A little monster breakfast
One for each of us.
house. One for each of us here. Oh. I know. Isn't it?
Oh,
We got
nice. I got
A spooky orange.
that's ogre orange, and I got vampire egg, which is a very creative name, and I love it.
Micah, what'd you get? What'd you get? Ooh!
Looks like it's zombie donut.
Beautiful boy.
Micah, you got zombie donut.
That's
Number
me.
4 is Emma. Whoa!
I like.
Whoa!
You just got it.
It's pumpkin necklace. That's why I
It's
said
a
here we
pumpkin
have
necklace?
Here we have.
I thought they were like lights that you put up.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking whenever I saw them.
Well,
But no, check it out.
turns out it's a
It's-
solid no.
It's pumpkin necklace. Okay.
Bada bing. You want to wear it?
All right, Micah. They're real nice though. Listen to the noise.
Mmm. That's a tasty noise.
Here you go. He doesn't want to. He just wants them.
All right. Number 5.
I hit my.
All right. And number 5, we got another packet of breakfast monsters. A few more. Then we'll complete our
Alright.
beautiful collection.
I got ogre orange again.
I got spider sausage.
I love that.
Funny.
It's the first one.
That one is
Mummy
Muffin, Micah.
All right, now we're opening up number 6. Wow.
Rest in peace.
It's black licorice, my favorite candy.
Let's go ahead and give it
Or
a
rather,
taste.
my least favorite kind of my favorite candy.
I thought it would be fun to try.
They smell awful and they taste awful. I know what they taste like just by smelling them. Awful. It is the worst.
You know, it's not good.
My least favorite candy. I completely forgot these existed, by the
No,
way.
they're not good. Micah's not gonna like it.
Ew.
Ew. Okay. Number 7. We got a bunch of candy that's now on the ground. Snickers! Trick or treat!
All right, time for number 8. A good number, because it's even. Halloween pops.
Nope, I'm taking this out. Hold on. How does it taste, Emma? Like nothing?
Artificial orange, but like a very dull artificial orange.
Let's give my ghosty boy a try.
Awful sound effect.
Why does it taste like bubblegum? And I don't like the bubblegum flavor.
I do, so I'll have one of those.
Now we're gonna do number 9. Glow sticks!
Micah, look.
I'm only gonna break one for Micah.
By the way, tomorrow's Halloween. We were supposed to carve pumpkins today, but we didn't do that. So we'll probably carve them tomorrow.
Worked for a second.
Guess it's time for me to open up number 10.
Oh no. He's dead.
I love opening these.
Ooh, it's a paper lantern.
Yes.
I like this. It's itty bitty. Okay, next box.
Next box is number 11.
Let's put it in this tree that
well,
is right
Micah's
behind the
cracking
camera.
all, so let's just bite the bullet here. We got more
Ooh.
Spooky Monster Boys. Breakfast monsters. A gaggle of Kit Kats.
Is that the plural for Kit Kat?
Absolutely.
Try to throw the box over there.
Oh no. Got another spider sausage.
They both say this bagel? I think that's another zombie donut.
Bagel.
Time to open number 12.
What's in there, Emma?
The best candy bar that there is. Twix.
Kit Kats?
No, I said Twix.
Kit Kats?
Twix.
All right, we're gonna move on to number 13, the most spookiest unlucky number ever.
Also Taylor Swift's favorite number.
Let's see what's inside of here. Oh my gosh. We got some spooky glow-in-the-dark vampire teeth. Emma, you wanna take one?
I don't like mayonnaise.
What does that have to do with anything? What's happening, fellow
Ooh.
people? What's up, guys? Like a full meal.
It's so Jonah.
Why are you supposed to try with these?
Oh my goodness, what's wrong with you now?
Oh my god. What's going on?
Hey, Joey.
Alright, time for me to open up number 15. Nope, that's 14. Hey, look at that. It's missing part.
More breakfast boys.
More breakfast monsters.
I got another spider sausage.
Oh, he's my favorite.
Love that one. And I got Ogre Orange again. Another mummy muffin.
Let's go ahead and open up number 15. Oh, whoa, let's go. We got a frog.
Fuck.
It's just that
That's
frog
it.
Fuck.
with a messed up leg.
Fuck.
There you go, Micah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open up number 16, the last one of our crusade along the path of Halloween. Let's go ahead and zip on over there, pop on into number 16. Just go ahead and smash into it like the like button. Have I mentioned the like button? Start
I
it.
was about to do it. Wait, watch this. I'm gonna make it happen.
I don't think anyone can
Look,
see
it's a
that.
face.
What's in there?
It's a lot of candy.
Oh no. My least favorite candies, but I got it for our pop.
100 grand?
Yeah.
Why don't you like them?
But they get a ton of birthday.
Crispy crunchies, what does that mean? Does it mean nuts?
They're all right.
They're terrible. You should give them all to me.
All right, here you go.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
There you go. So we hope you enjoyed this Halloween calendar video, and comment down below. Beep boop comment what your favorite Halloween candy is and what you're being for Halloween. And happy
Happy
Hanukkah
Halloween!
Halloween!
Ha!
What's Micah doing?
Click
He's
these red buttons
playing with
to
a
please
pumpkin.
subscribe. You already know what they do. I don't really have to explain it. Do I?
No,
I don't know. This is still a good candy.
I want the frog. I want it.
Fuck. Oh my fuck.
What's your favorite holiday, by the way?